Hi, welcome to TunesKit channel. Find My iPhone is always a lifesaver if your phone is stolen or lost. However, you may wish to turn it off for any reason. What if you failed to turn off the Find My iPhone feature because of a lack of Wi-Fi connection or forgot Apple ID passcode? In this video, you'll discover the finest methods to turn off the Find My iPhone without Wi-Fi or passcode. Solution 1. Turn off Find My iPhone no Wi-Fi and passcode. TunesKit Activation Unlocker is the optimal choice that can meet your needs. To begin with, download and install TunesKit Activation Unlocker on your computer. Then, connect your iPhone to the computer and click on the Start button for the next step. Download the jailbreak tool. After jailbreaking your iPhone, TunesKit iPhone Unlocker will start to remove the activation lock from your iOS device and turn off the Find My iPhone without Wi-Fi. Solution 2. Factory reset your iPhone. If you know the correct Apple ID and passcode, you can use this method. But it will remove all the data and content on your iOS device. You can follow the steps to turn it off. Open the Settings app and click on the General option. Then, hit on the Transfer or Reset iPhone option. Click on the Erase All Content and Settings to factory reset your iPhone. Solution 3. Use iCloud to turn off Find My iPhone. If you have a computer with internet connection, you can also turn off Find My iPhone without Wi-Fi on it. To use this method, you should know the correct Apple ID and passcode. You can follow the steps to turn it off. Open a browser on your computer and navigate to the iCloud.com website. Log into your Apple ID and enter the correct passcode. Then, select the Find My iPhone option. Hit on the All Devices option and select the iPhone that you want to turn off the Find My iPhone feature. Hit on the Erase iPhone to remove all the data and content from your iPhone. Okay, that's so much for today's video. If you find it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and ring the bell. Let us know what tutorials you'd like to see next in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.